Bao Minh Textile uses the most advanced equipment in the finishing factory in order to create the highest quality while still meeting our sustainable operation standards. The production system is 100% equipped with European technology with automatic running and chemical supply control systems. This advanced system enables us to offer high-class finishing techniques such as easy care wrinkle-free, UV protection or sterilization. On top of that, we also use eco-friendly chemicals alongside ERP system. We are committed to offer high-quality products in the most sustainable manner. This is shown not only through our modern system, eco-friendly materials, but also through our efforts in being certified for sustainable operation. Bao Minh Textile is confident in being the top choice for our customers.